Oh yes, oh yes. We're about to, as you can see, we don't waste anything. Turn in anything we don't keep for money. Rebuild the motor, sell it, and then convert the vehicle to electric. As you can see, we keep the original wiring harness. Most of the hydraulics and pneumatics still work. Folks, this is how you do it. There are billions of these types of vehicles still on the streets begging to be made hybrid of a hybrid. And we are the masters of that. All those cars starving for attention so that they do not defeat and destroy our future as a species on the planet. Think about it. Think about it. The potential here. Help people. We are learning to help people make this kind of conversion. I know you can hear a lot of negativity, plenty of people saying, no, it won't work. Excuse me while I put up a fight. We are not giving up. Thank you.